Good afternoon, everybody. This is Kevin Zarro from Marantz. I am at Audio Device Live. This is our 5th year here. We're having a great time. We have 2 demo rooms here. We have a Bowers Marantz room featuring our brand new D5s. And we also have an immersive audio room, Marantz and Bowers. We're focused on the D5s in this room as well, 803s. This is a 7.4.4 system, so 7 803s, left, center, right surround, and 2 back surrounds. We also have 4 height speakers, and then we're using 4 of our Bowers DB4s. This is being powered by the Marantz AV10 preamplifier, and we're actually using 2 amp 10s and doing some vertical biamping for every channel. It is an incredible system. The surround effect that you're getting is spectacular. We're doing multiple tracks here, from Pink Floyd to Rush and everything in between, but really immersive native multi-channel mixes. And so far the consumer has absolutely loved what they heard, and we love playing this for them. We're also proud to announce at the show here that we have 3 new Marantz receivers, the brand new Cinema Series 2 in the 50, 60, and 70 variations. These are all significantly updated. We really wanted to focus on improvement in audio. As you guys out there who love Marantz already know that we love audio, and we do our very best to give you the most impactful and most realistic sound quality possible. But our engineers took it to the next level. All new 8-channel amp DACs, improvements to the amp sections. We added some great features for gaming. We have a visual monitor now that tells you exactly what your channels are doing on these 3 new receivers, and so a lot of cool things to talk about. If you want to learn more, go to www.marantz.com. Obviously, from a Bowers & Wilkins standpoint, go to bowersandwilkins.com and check out all the cool new stuff we have.